Okay, so when you're finished with your classes, it's time to do your recordings of your feedback. You're going to come and see this screen. You're going to go to Magic Ears. Now, I encourage you to, if your internet is okay and your computer doesn't mess up, have Magic Ears open while you are doing your classes, so that you can come over here and you can go to let me refresh this real fast because I taught all those classes. So you're gonna come over here and go to my class. I've been recording feedback in between classes, so most of my feedback's done, but I have a little bit that I still need to do. Notice that here it's purple. That means the feedback hasn't been done yet. So what I do to save time is I click on all of them at the same time. So I'm going to click, I'll go back to that tab, click, go back to the first tab, click, go back to the first tab. This one that you see right here, Alex, I recorded in between classes. I'm going to keep clicking until I have them all open. So that's something that saves time if you do this in between classes, is to click and open as many as you can. And you'll see why, because when you finish recording, if you click submit, well, first of all, it takes a little moment for the submit button to pop up. So if you just go ahead and click to the next tab, you can move a little faster. So I'm going to do Lily real fast, okay? Hi, Lily. This is Teacher Avery. I had so much fun in class with you today. Thank you so much for listening carefully and for speaking up. I really appreciated your enthusiastic participation today. Thank you for practicing your English with me. Today, our topic was road signs. Our key words were road, left, and right. What does it mean? It means turn right. Lily, please practice using these new words and sentences. I'm so proud of your efforts today. Thank you so much for your great work, and I look forward to meeting you again. Bye, Lily. So my internet's really fast, and so you saw how quickly it popped up. But if your internet isn't this fast, there is a delay. And I remember when I first started with internet that was kind of slow, it just seemed like the delay was a long time. So I want to click submit. Now I'm going to go to my next, and then I can close that page out. I'm going to go to the next tab, and I'm going to record Amy. So I'll click start recording, and I'll basically repeat what I just did. And then I can click stop and just quickly move to the next tab. And as soon as I'm done recording Summer, I'll quickly move back to Amy, and the little submit button will be popped up. And at that point, I can click submit, and then I can come over here and move to the next one and record that person. And then as soon as I'm done, I click here, and then she'll be ready to submit. And so that's one way that you can get your recording done very quickly. And you want to come over here and see the refresh button. So say you're recording in between classes. If you come back at the end of another class, always click the refresh button, because if you don't, it might just suddenly log you out in the middle of your recording, and then you've lost your recording. So always come back and click the refresh button. And say you didn't do any recording in between your classes, and you have this long list of classes to record. You'll want to try to like refresh it after every few classes. But always make sure you submit, and then when you're all done, come back and just double check that you don't have any more purple evaluates. I hope this helps.